Stop fretting. Dad will get here as soon as. You know what he's like?
Fretting? I didn't even get to say yes. It sounded weird.
Mum, you've just come through your surgery, and Dad's finally gonna make an honest woman of you. There's so much to be positive about.
You're probably right. Felix will arrive late with some shoddy flowers.
Trash.
Excuses. He wouldn't let me down. Not today.
Yes, but I cannot find anywhere.
Watch where you're going, you! You juicy little goosey.
Sorry, I don't see you. Sorry.
Well, I blame the road markings. Where are you from, lovey?
Italy, signora. I'm looking for the dog impound. I have a job there.
Oh, Jobbo? No possible. We're fully staffed. Although, I wouldn't mind seeing you manning my pumps.
Okay, how about a deal? You show me pub, and I walk you back to your care home.
Care home? How dare you!
Signora! Signora! Ma che sei pazza? Signora! Signora!
It's forbidden!
Signora!
Rude!
What are you doing?
That Italian just insulted me in the worst possible way.
What did he say?
It's not the full shilling. He reckoned he's got a job in the pub.
That's because he did have a job in the pub. He was your stripper.
Wait!
So, it's done.
Yeah.
Well, now we can concentrate on getting the money we need, getting out of here. You're still up for that, right?
Yeah. It's just... First Broder, now Felix. This wasn't in my plan.
They were out of control, weren't they? You did what you had to do.
Doesn't make it any easier, though, does it?
Was he scared, Felix?
He begged me for his life. Is that what you want to wear?
No. Sorry, I shouldn't have asked.
No, you shouldn't. And don't you ever ask me again. Ever.
Well, me and Teresa just wanted to cheer you up. You know, give you a bit of a lift after Jack.
I think I might need a facelift.
You are the most vibrant, voluptuous sex bomb in this village, Nana. I mean, you turn more heads than a championship tennis ball.
But nobody looks twice. 'Cause I'm old and furry. And I've lost my bounce.
No, you haven't. Don't say that.
It's okay, love. It's what happens when you get old. You gradually become invisible. Men who would have jumped to give you their seat on the bus take no notice. Unless you're paying them.
Oh, Nan, I'm so sorry about the stripper.
It's don't. I've had my day in the sun. Oh, boy, did I sizzle. I'm grateful for it. Now get yourself back to work. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Go on, Scarpa.
Misc forward, side push, a back push, step, and...
Turn.
She looks like a pro.
Leah, the only reason that I messed up in the final is because of my mum's bullying and negative energy. But tomorrow, with me as your coach, trust me, you are just gonna fly.
She's gonna go ballistic. I can't get a purple rage face out of my head.
Right. I want you to repeat the mantra that we were practicing before. Say it.
Nobody puts Leah in a cage.
Say it like you mean it.
Nobody puts Leah in a cage.
That's more like it.
Okay, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8.
Hi, pal. Thanks for coming. How's Dad?
He's fine. More to the point, how are you?
Good. I'm glad I got through it. Just worried about Felix. He said that he would be here when I woke up.
And he was very excited about proposing.
Do you think he's having second thoughts?
Absolutely not. The way he was buzzing about you before, he'd have given his life to be here today.
What do you want?
Like it or not, I'm in on the secret now. We have to find a way through it.
Sorry, mate. Joe?
If you want to kill Felix, you're going to have to shoot me first.
I can't believe this has happened.
I was the one that took Fergus off yesterday. All right, I was doing it to protect you. I've got a techie mate who's been trying to hack Fergus for weeks, and it's working.
No. Timmy was the hacker.
No. Dad, Fergus is up to something. Something big, and he's only using you to do his dirty work.
To shut
Warren,
up.
it's the truth. All right, Fergus has been manipulating you from day one.
Shut up! I have crossed the line, son. I can't do this without you.
Dad, I know you're lost and you're scared. All right, you're only going back to your own ways because you feel like you don't have a future, and that's exactly what Fergus wants.
No. Fergus, he's been helping me out.
Hey, how? He's turned everyone you love against you. Made everything in your life go dark again. Look, I know there's still some light left inside of you, Dad. I know there is.
Too much has happened.
Do this, and you'll never see Sophie and Sebastian again.
You will when they find out what I've done. They're gonna hate my guts anyway.
But I love you. All right, despite everything. The lies, the threats, the violence, I still love you and I still feel like I can help you, but you're going to have to let Felix go.
Well, you look like death.
I've had better days. For what it's worth. Sorry. I can't believe that me, of all people, allowed myself to get manipulated like that. I know it's no excuse. You shouldn't have had to go through that today.
My fiancée just had life-saving surgery. I was meant to be there for her, but you tried to kill me. And you're sorry.
Felix, Fergus needs to believe that you're dead. If he trusts my dad, it buys us more time to bring him to justice.
You'll see Martine soon. I promise. But we need your help. Please.
Okay, I'll do it. But I ain't hiding in there forever, so you two better get out there and get digging. Once we find out what Fergus is up to, we're gonna bury him for good.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Trish Miniver from Tynemouth takes the stage. Whoa! Look at her move. Oh, Trish, talk about shattered dreams. That's how cruel the Blackpool dance floor can be, folks. There's always next year, my love.